Well, we're stuck here at Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay railway station, and actually our train was up till Gaya, but it was terminated only here at Deendayal Upadhyay, and there are no connecting trains. Actually, there were a few connecting trains in the morning from 7 to 10 a.m., but this train got delayed and it dropped us here at DDU at around 11:30. After that, there are no connecting trains. There are a few local trains that we are trying to get hold of, but they're like the people here are not very helpful. If I say, the people in the inquiry room don't have any idea like which trains will come at which platform at which time. They just know the names of the train, so we are just waiting here. Let's see what happens. Here you can see all the stuff. Most of these stuff belongs to Dee and Jiju because they are going into a wedding. And here you can see Rui is sitting down. There is Mummy and there is Papa. Yeah, it's fine. The weather is okay. It's early December, so it's not very hot. It actually quite pleasant here. So that's why we're sitting outside. And this platform is also quite empty, as you can see around. There are not much people here. But let's see. This one-day journey. This could have been a one-day journey if we would have picked a better train, or if this termination wouldn't have happened. But let's see. I probably it will take almost 2 days. If we get lucky, we'll be reaching home at around 6 or 7 in the evening. And if things does not go as planned, then probably we'll be reaching tomorrow morning. Let's see. I'll keep you updated. Look what Roy is doing.
वीडियो बना रहे हैं।
What are you doing?
बहुत दिक्कत से जाना पड़ रहा है।
बहुत दिक्कत से जाना पड़ रहा है।
इंग्लिश में बोल दो।
इंग्लिश में।
टमाटर स्वादिष्ट है।
बहुत लेट, so much late we go।
और
सकती है।
गया से कैंसिल हो गया।
दिक्कत हो रही है।
यहाँ से कैंसिल हो गया।
अच्छा।
इसको हिंदी में
You're doing a time pass.
इंग्लिश में बोलो।
वो को मिल।
गया से कैंसिल हो गया।
The washrooms here are barely usable. It smells like a skunk, but yeah, it's barely usable. So you can use it, but yeah, this is the waiting room. See, Indian Railways is quite a service, you can say. Everything is here. Everything here is just usable at bare minimum. You can use the toilets if you have the ability to, not able to smell. You can just turn off your smelling sense. Then you'll be able to use the toilets. You can drink the water, the public from the public fountain that you can see there. You can drink the water from there. It will not kill you, at least in a short term. In the longer term, I cannot confirm. But yeah, it's like this only everywhere. Doesn't matter how much you pay. It's just the quantity of people that it carries every day. That makes it very difficult for even a normal person to travel in this whatever you call this, a service or what. It's not always the fault of Indian Railways for providing this kind of service, right? As you can see, the people in front, you can see they're carrying a full-fledged 4K TV. It's most probably that they're carrying it because it might be cheaper somewhere else in a metro city rather than in their hometown wherever they live, which is a small town. The problem here is mostly people are adaptive to this thing. It's not just that the Indian Railways are they're not willing to give this kind of amenities to the people. It's just the people are also very much adapted to this. They do not complain. They don't tend to change things. They just accept it. They are willing to save few $100 as in Indian national rupees, and they will be and you can give them any kind of inconvenience. If they're able to save a few $100, they'll just do it.
बात करो ना।
Yes, I'm going.
अच्छा बात। कैसा लग रहा है लोकल ट्रेन में बैठ के?
Yes, I'm traveling from local train.
गाइस देखो ये रही लोकल ट्रेन। ये वाली ट्रेन हमने कनेक्टिंग मैंने पकड़नी थी बट पकड़ नहीं पाए, तो अभी इस लोकल ट्रेन से गया जाना पड़ेगा। हाँ अभी ले लेना आप। This is the local train that I was talking about. This is taking us to Gaya. Let's see what happens. We're still waiting for Didi and Jijaji. They're still out. Very careless people, you can see. But yeah, this is the local train. You can see. Not very clean, but somehow manageable if you have to reach.
That's no. Clean, yes. क्या नंबर है?
2254.
नहीं
ये हुआ। आपका 4421. 4421.
तो कैसा लग रहा है आपको पैसेंजर ट्रेन में?
अब थोड़ा सा
वैसे भीड़ तो नहीं है तो अच्छा ही लग रहा है। और अभी नमो घाट घूम के आई हूँ, वहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। लेकिन अब शाम को जाएंगे तो लोगों ने मुझे बताया कि शाम को ज़्यादा अच्छा रहता है, ज़्यादा एंजॉय कर पाएंगे। तो वैसे तो मैं भी घूम के आई काफ़ी अच्छा, लेकिन 25 मिनट मुझे लगे यहाँ से जाने में मुगल सराय स्टेशन से।
अच्छा।
तो अभी जाम भी था वापस ही टाइम, लेकिन मुझे जाम नहीं मिला तो वापस से थोड़ा जल्दी हो गई, 15 से 20 मिनट में आ गई।
हो रही जी देखो फोन चार्ज करने का ट्राई कर रहे हैं।
देख अभी कुरकुरे में हाथ डाल रही तो डाल रही है, कभी अभी गोवा
मजा आ रहा है।
खिलाया है।
ये कई बार ऐसा करती है, खाने भी देती है अपने में से। ये ट्राई कर, बहुत टेस्टी है। इसका वीडियो बन रहा है।
नहीं खाना भाई,
अच्छा ही है
मैं खाऊंगा कुछ नहीं।
तो खा लो आप लोग फिर। मोमोज वाला टेस्ट है।
हम लोग पूरा ट्राई फुल का
वो पैक करता नहीं है, उसने चटनी इसी में डाल दी था। थोड़ा हार्ड है लेकिन। मोमोज
Finally the train has started. जनरल बोगी है यार। सब रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, मत कम बोलो थोड़ा।